warm good evening to everybody. We have with us a very special student of ours, Dr. Bhuneshwari, who has scored an amazing 240 in this recently concluded FMG exam. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Bhuneshwari. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Thank you, sir. Uh, this feeling cannot be expressed with any kind of words because it's all beyond that. And basically, sir, बोला गया तो hard work और consistency ने ये result लाया है जो भी है. And it really needs a lot of discipline, sir. I was from Arise online batch, and many used to tell me like online हो पाएगा क्या? मतलब इतना बैठ सकेगी क्या तू? रोज बैठना पड़ेगा, कोई रहेगा नहीं पुश करने. तो मेरे को मेरे पे बहुत मतलब बिलीव तो बहुत था सर, मैं कर पाऊंगी ऐसा. मतलब आई फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग ओनली आई डिडंट नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ पुश फॉर माय स्टडीज. आई यूज्ड टू डू व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू. उसके वजह से मैं रोज बैठती थी. तो मेरे को कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं कि आज मेरे को अलग मोटिवेशन चाहिए पढ़ने या फिर कुछ. मतलब ऐसा कभी मोटिवेशन का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा सर. ओनली कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डिसिप्लिन हेल्प मी so much, sir.
I think that is needed. That consistency and discipline to get such good scores like 240 plus is essential, and that is what you're starting with. And Dr. Bhuneshwari, please tell me something about you. Where are you from, and which place, and kahan padhe aap?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Bhuneshwari Rajarathinam. I am from Orenburg State Medical University. I am from Mumbai. I studied in Arise online batch.
And Dr. Bhuneshwari, how did this journey start? And such good scores you're getting, you must be a very bright student. How did this happen? MBBS abroad happen to you?
Sir, when I started MBBS abroad, at that time I was not so bright. Like all I came through, it was very, it cannot be again expressed in words. It was very depressive. Like when you don't get seat in India, it's really very depressive. And when you go abroad, many people tell you like उधर भी हो पाएगा क्या ऐसा. So but I did it, and I started my journey of studying from second year itself, because 1 year it takes to get just adjusted to that. But second year से मैंने चालू किया. And with Arise I started from my 6th year, sir, when Priyank Jain sir as well as you came, and there was one Olympiad, sir. I didn't participate, but I have gone through that. At that time I didn't have my confidence. I was a bright student at that time, but I was like लूंगी तो कैसा रहेगा. I was not that participative at that time also. But after that, when you came to teach us, sir, I want to tell you this: you were the best, like bestest, I would say. बिकॉज आपने, मैं जब भी क्लास पढ़ रही थी तभी ऐसा सब रेडियोलॉजी एकदम ऊपर से जा रहा था. बट यू टोल्ड वन सेंटेंस, अभी कुछ भी नहीं समझेगा, देन इट्स ऑल्सो ओके, बिकॉज दिस यू विल ऑल कोरिलेट इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. एंड मैं जब भी रेडियोलॉजी चालू की तभी तो कुछ मतलब इतना नहीं समझ रहा था मेरे को डेप्थ उसका. बट फिर वाइल रिवाइजिंग ऑल वॉज कोरिलेटेड, एंड आई वॉज सो मेस्मराइज्ड बाय दैट कि ये तो सर ने बताया था, तब भी बताया था, अब भी इधर आ रहा है. So I was very happy with that, sir. My first starting subject was PSM, and it helped me so far that it was so easy to revise when I came here. In college I studied it, and it was so easy to revise here, and I was strong in my strong subjects, sir.
Nice. And how was academically your journey, and how did you balance your university schedules and your FMG preparation?
सर यूनिवर्सिटी का क्या ही बताऊं. यूनिवर्सिटी मोस्टली तो उधर इतना पढ़ाई होता नहीं है. मतलब यू हैव टू सिट इफ यू हैव टू, लाइक उधर भी ऐसा डिसिप्लिन चाहिए. मोस्टली पीपल डोंट सिट इन दैट यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ to study. At least I would suggest at least sit for 2 hours or 3 hours. You have to make your base strong. So I always used to, like, it was my daily routine to at least sit for 3-4 hours minimum. But if I will get time, then I used to study, and that also had great effort, sir.
Okay. And before coming to your final years, आप कौन से subjects आपने master किए थे? Like we have done well in your before your final year.
Sir, except some subjects, I had done well in all subjects. I mean, I had my base strong in that subject. It was not like ekdam se naya everything. Like for that subject, not everything was new to me. So I was strong with like
Okay.
Except forensic, ortho, like that subjects, I have done all the subjects, sir.
Okay. And were you doing questions during that time? During your third year, fourth year, आप questions लगाते थे?
Yes, sir. Some questions, but not that consistently. I started doing questions after 6th year, and after I joined Arise, consistently I started doing Q banks, sir.
Okay. So basically, you're saying कि भी अपने junior years, you know, in your undergraduate years, it is better to read your content properly. Theory पे थोड़ा ध्यान दिया आपने, subjects complete करने पे, कि सारा familiar लगे आपको, so that you know once you come into your final year, it should not look you know new.
Yes. Yes.
And what change did Arise bring into your study schedule? आप इतना already पढ़ रहे थे consistently. You said you covered so many subjects, you know, before you came into final year. What change did you feel that Arise impacted?
सर मैं ये एग्जैक्टली बताऊंगी, क्योंकि सर मेरा 6th ईयर का February के टाइम मेरा बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हो चुके थे, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम. आई वाज अबाउट टू गिव जीटी, तब प्रियांक सर आए थे. आई आस्क्ड हिम, सर मेरा तो हो गया है, तो मेरे को अराइज लगाने का जरूरत है क्या अभी? तो सर टोल्ड, हो तो गया है, बट एक पाथ चाहिए, बिकॉज इन एफएमजी सर दे आर आस्किंग लिमिटेड पॉइंट्स दैट यू मस्ट नो. It's when we study to different platforms, sir, there are many things to study, and that is not helpful. What you revise is helpful, and there's a vast content to revise. So the more the revision, the more better is your score. And you always used to say, sir, like quick and better revision are better than perfect revision. I did it a lot of times. Like many of my friends told, like दो revision हो गया, 3 revision हो गया. I didn't understand that concept. Like what is 2 revision or 3 revision? It's always better to have revising that content again and again. So that helped me a lot, sir. Though my basis, like I was very clear with that, but what you have to study exactly, what will come. This was only from Arise, sir.
तो एकदम टारगेटेड अप्रोच मिला आपको, दो जो ब्रॉड
Yes.
लर्निंग आप कर रहे थे उससे फेमिलियर हो गए टॉपिक्स, एंड देन यू गॉट अ टारगेटेड अप्रोच कि हाउ टू गो फॉर इट. एंड आई थिंक यू नो अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चों को अराइज का वही इम्पैक्ट हो जाता है कि यू गेट वेरी गुड स्कोर्स. लाइक इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट पासिंग द एग्जाम, पास तो आप कर भी लेते, बट द काइंड ऑफ स्कोर्स दैट यू कैन गेट व्हेन यू हैव अ इंटेंस यू नो सपोर्ट विद यू थ्रू आउट, एंड यू नो यू एक्चुअली फॉलो दैट थिंग. एंड भुवनेश्वरी, हॉनेस्टली आप कितना यूज करें अराइज के क्लासेस को?
सर मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, मैं कभी लाइव नहीं अटेंड करती थी, मैं रिकॉर्डेड अटेंड करती थी. मैं इतना कंसिस्टेंट रहती थी कि आज का क्लास रिकॉर्ड हो गया, मतलब कल देखना ही है. सुबह 8 बजे से देखना ही है, क्योंकि वो स्किप नहीं हो सकता. जैसे कल का क्लास स्किप नहीं हुआ, वैसे आज का क्लास स्किप नहीं हो सकता. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग मेरा हो जाता था. मेरे को प्रॉब्लम तब आता था जब लाइक नेक्स्ट डे एग्जाम इज देयर. But then also I used to study early in the morning and give the exam at that same point of time, because exam भी live होना जरूरी है. So I used to be so kept up with that schedule only, sir.
Nice. And hectic हो जाता है, like students find it so hectic to actually, आप क्या समझते हो, necessary था वो schedule रहना, या फिर how did you cope up with the schedule of Arise?
Sir, I didn't find it that much hectic, sir. It was what we have to do. It is not hectic, sir. Life is hectic, right?
I think you have taken it very positively कि भी करना तो है, तो फिर ये तो
Yeah,
खुशी
you
से
have
करो
to
बस.
do it. No option.
Yes. Nice. I think that mindset is also important. That positive mindset and not feeling, you know, not cribbing about it and going with your goals. And when you know that you have to do it, you have to do it. Nice.
Yes.
And did you attend all classes with Arise, या फिर आप you know selective थे?
No. I attended all the classes, sir, from QRP, TND, everything. Only TND, sir, if I got a very good score, then I used to see what questions are wrong. I used to go back, see the explanation. But otherwise, I attended all the classes, sir. None skipped.
And how did you find, especially with the workbook training and all, how different was that learning experience? I think workbook, आप लोग you know first time with Arise you must have got those workbooks. Did you get the workbooks delivered or आप soft copy use करते थे?
Sir, I used to write the notes, sir, and I had laptop. So for the subjects, like for images, I used to refer directly to in the workbook. But otherwise, I used to write my notes. So the best workbook, I would say, is of Priyank sir. Medicine is such a vast subject, but in every nook and corner of his workbook, there is an image, there is a story behind that particular clinical scenario. Like in exam, I was sitting and I was like literally imagining, this is that that Baba, the example like Priyansa said, it was completely amazing, sir. It was
Nice,
really outstanding.
nice. So you felt that workbook based approach actually helped have a targeted completion of your subject.
Yes, sir.
And any special mention of any faculties you really enjoyed learning from?
Sir, first of all, you, sir. Like starting में मेरे को इतना वैल्यू नहीं समझा जितना मैंने I completed all the 19 subjects and I started to correlate in every single topic. One question of one radiology link would always be there in all the subject, and same with Priyan sir also. Everything as well as micro and pharma. I was so afraid like ये इतना बड़ा subject. Like I am not like kind of by heart one. I can never by heart any subject, sir. I used to conceptually understand it. But then again, Salman sir, he was so amazing with whatever magic he has. I used to allow a time for pharma and PSM, and they were in my tips, sir. And that helped me a lot during exam, as well as Asma ma'am. So many questions were from PSM, her notes, and at the time of exam, it was like such. Even during QRP, Nadim sir said like whenever you will see some kind of questions and certain faculty like it would be like a light, so I experienced that. It was amazing, sir.
Nice. And how was the whole support system along with the classes, Bhuvneshwari? Your test, the access to the PYQs, access to the QBack. Did you utilize those sources, या फिर आप classes करते थे खाली?
No, sir. I used to solve Q banks like when there were classes during June, July. At that time, I used to do Q banks, but most of the time my questions like answers were not that accurate. So I never used to get like good scores in Q banks. But after that, when I started to understand the concept, then my scores also started improving. And the best part of that test series was after every subject when we had tests. It actually boosts our confidence. Like, yes, this subject is done. We are good with this subject. Now, the only thing we have to do is revise. We have to get in touch with that subject. So that was really helpful, sir. And Arise Sprint was absolutely amazing, sir. Like at that time, I was thinking whether I should go with this schedule or not. But when I went, like at that time, I had my revision done. Like at least one revision was done at that time. Completely with test and also it was very nice, sir.
I think it is important to trust the process. I keep on saying that students, हम समझते हैं कि हम ऐसा कर लेंगे वैसा कर लेंगे. Instead of that, there is a schedule which is designed and planned. And if we try to accommodate and finish our revisions and do the test, so you're saying that TND, the Arise final sprint actually helped you.
So sometimes it's like don't use your brain. There's something is there. Let's follow it. It's quite easy, sir.
True. And what about the fast track revisions? Did you follow those sessions, fast track revisions?
Sir, I would like to mention in Nadim sir's QRP, almost 3 questions were directly from the notes, sir. And like that blood clot catheter one, he told blood aaya to 3. And I was so happy at that moment. Like in QRP was also very, very amazing, sir. And it was kind of a very quick revision. So we had confidence. Like at time of medicine, sir was telling this, and it was so good. Like we were recalling it. So it was helpful.
Okay. And how was the exam experience? आप इतने सारे GTs लिखे. How did your scores come out in your GT? कब से देना शुरू करे आप GTs?
सर GTs मैंने अक्टूबर से शुरू किया था, सर.
What was your score in October?
So my first time I scored 218, sir.
Nice.
And then I started to improve.
Nice.
And almost last GT I scored something 265 or something, sir.
Cool. And how did you find the exam day? How was it? I mean, were you planned for it? What is a new experience? Or GT की तरह ही दिख रहा था आपको?
I gave 11 GTs. So मैंने मान लिया था ये exam नहीं है, ये 12th GT है. That's all. This is the last GT I'm going to give. But I would say exam experience was amazing, sir. This is I don't know why, but I was so chill at that morning. I woke up, I did my meditation, and I went, and it was so amazing. At the exam hall, also everyone was like so anxious, but I was not. I don't know why. Still, I don't know why, but I was very chill at that time. This was ringing in my head, sir. कि इतना सारा क्वेश्चन है, 150 क्वेश्चन इज डूएबल, इट इज व्हाट इट इज टॉट टू अस, so there is nothing to worry, because I didn't want to lose that 150 questions, sir, in search of all 50 questions which were not taught. So I was very positive.
Hmm. And Bhuvneshwari, this is an intense preparation phase. काफी सारा long hours of classes and all. How important do you feel is the support system needed? Like आपका family का, friends का, what kind of support system were you depending upon?
Sir, sometimes family was a huge support, sir. I used to like every time if I had to cry, then I used to go to my mother. But the thing is, everyone supports you, but the thing is you have to support yourself, you have to believe yourself. That is the main thing, sir. If you don't believe in yourself, then no one will believe in yourself. And talking about support system, I had much support system that needed, sir. I was so blessed with in that point of time. And as well as also Sara ma'am used to always write in group and all, don't worry, we are behind you. And that was like, it is in group, somebody is writing for you, it is really really helpful, sir. At that time, it's really
Small
helpful,
small
sir.
things, small things actually add up to to overcome that pressure. And
Yes.
घर में कोई डॉक्टर से आपके घर में कोई डॉक्टर से और कैसा
No,
है
sir,
स्टूडेंट?
I'm the one. I am the
I'm the
first
first.
one.
And I think your parents should know the score and should know that one of the best scores in FMG you have cracked, and they must be so proud. And we really very very proud of you, Bhuvneshwari, and the kind of determination that you have shown and the kind of trust you have shown with joining us and being part of it, and also utilizing the entire resources. That is what we want to do with good students, and we want that good students to trust the process and then give their best, evolve from there. And Bhuvneshwari, any mistakes did you see among your colleagues, your friends, या फिर seniors say, या juniors say? Okay, any mistakes did you feel that can be avoided during your preparation to see that your direction is right?
Sir, I like you said, sir, you have to trust the process, you have to trust your teachers, sir. The thing is, मेरे बहुत सारे friends हैं, जैसे they used to trust, they used to study from one material, फिर they used to switch. I felt bad for them, because you have to trust one material, you have to study it thoroughly, you have to study it again and again. That's the key. It's not like ये teacher अच्छे हैं, ये teacher बुरे हैं. All the teachers are saying they're teaching you in some platform. That means they are good teachers, they are best teachers. You have to just grasp that knowledge and you have to revise it again and again. Many students don't understand this. They say that ये टीचर ने बहुत अच्छा से पढ़ाया ये प्लेटफॉर्म में, इसमें से मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, इसमें से आधा मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. This doesn't happen, sir. This is not good. That I would
I think
advise strongly.
Yeah, so I think multiple resources, that fear of missing out कि भाई ये कुछ करेगा, ये यहाँ से कुछ कर लेते हैं. I think that is a
Yes.
real advice, that you stick to your resources, complete that, and once you finish that, revise them thoroughly. That should be the easy way out. And any plans for revisions that you have done during your course? आपको लगा था कि मैं ये लास्ट में ये टॉपिक्स पढ़ूंगी, या फिर ये ऐसा कुछ प्लान बना लिए थे कि शॉर्ट रिवीजन के लिए टुवर्ड्स द एंड, और यू डिपेंडेड ऑन व्हाटएवर वी वर डूइंग, लाइक द मेन नोट्स, द टीएनडीज, द रिविजंस, और आपकी तरफ से कोई वोलेटाइल टॉपिक्स का बुक?
Sir, I revised main notes many times, sir, during my preparation also. So I was sure with them. Like I didn't have any kind of 20th notes, but I did my best from my main notes only. And 20th notes, like highly volatile one, when some kind of gene or chromosome number, only that kind of notes were my 20th notes, which I even studied one day before exam, something 2-3 hours. I was done with it. But main source was my only main textbooks and workbooks, sir.
Bhuvneshwari, the whole process of this, right? Did you take any breaks? Did you have any time that you felt very low? हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, इतना stressful है? Did you have any that phases, or you were very settled and very focused on your preparation?
Sir, I was very focused. The only 4-5 breaks I took was only after exam. Like Arise had exams, subject test. So after that, I used to just roam around and get something for me or something like that. But after like only 2-3 months were remaining. At that time, I was very focused. I didn't need any break.
And did you plan to achieve such high scores during your university days and all? इतना second year से third year से पढ़ रहे थे. Did you have this thing मेरे को 200 plus लाना है, 240 लाना है? Was these in your mind, or pass हो जाए, FMG pass हो जाए? What was your driving force through this?
Sir, I had my plan like 200 तो मैं जा सकती हूँ, but 240 was not my plan, sir.
Really, really happy, and you make each one of us proud. All the teachers, who must have taught you, they all, feel that happiness. Okay, our students are able to get such good scores, and with the kind of determination and dedication that you have shown, I think एक room में एक study room में focus रह के 8 घंटे, and it's a intense preparation that you have done. And did you take out time to talk to your friends and all? What was your stress busters? Like movie देखते थे,
My
कैसा
mother
करते थे?
was always my stress buster, sir. At night, she used to sleep. I used to wake up, talk with me. She was
Nice.
always there for me, sir.
It is equal victory of your mother. I feel कि घर में डॉक्टर लाके डॉक्टर बेटी लाके रखना, and a huge support system. I really appreciate, especially for daughters to be sent abroad and to trust them to this whole process, be so supportive. I think a lot of role played by parents, especially mother, and any special mentions that you have in your family or in your friends that you would like to say, who have supported you through this journey.
So my parents were my biggest support. I bore down through them like forever in depth, sir. I cannot express something so big in words.
How many siblings are you guys, Bhuneshwari? आप लोग कितने भाई बहन हैं?
So मेरा एक भाई है. He stays in hostel. He even don't know my results, sir, because in that hostel mobile is not allowed, and only in weekend they allow us to talk.
What is he
So
preparing for? What is he preparing
he
for?
is in 12th standard, sir.
12th standard. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
And were you worried any time कि ये लोग सही कर रहे हैं, or anything is there, or any corrections to be there, or you trusted full-fledged?
I completely trusted, sir. Honestly, I completely trusted. I didn't want any other और कुछ दिमाग में नहीं चाहिए था. I trusted this process. I have to study this. I was only sticking through my revision plan. Like I have to revise it. I didn't have any second thought like should I trust them. I was like just trust, just close your eyes, just do your part. Well, that's all, sir.
कितने MCQs करे होंगे आप during this whole preparation? How many MCQs must have done?
So daily
कोई
I
डांट
used to do like in three or two sets of 50-50 या फिर 50-50-50 like that, sir. But MCQs हो जाते थे. Like in starting phases of preparation, I didn't do MCQs that much because schedule was so tight. Like I have to study new concepts, then revise. So at that time, I didn't have that much of like time was not sufficient for me. But then in last 2-3 months, I used to do MCQ, a lot of MCQ, sir.
And one thing I wanted to ask, Bhuneshwari, you had some sessions in your college. Like you said, Priyan sir had come and I have come, and a lot of management who supported to facilitate that. Did those sessions help you to get a start much earlier before you came out and started the preparation?
Yes, absolutely. So like I was telling you, at that time, PSM, we had access for Arise. So I was doing PSM at that time and I revised that subject perfectly. I came here and I didn't take that much of time to revise PSM at all. Like PSM was so, it was very easy for me, sir. Same with radiology also. Like radiology, when you taught us, then at that time also I had some idea, and same with biochemistry and all. So it was really helpful, sir. I did at least 7 to 8 subjects, sir, from Access. So
Nice.
it was really good, sir.
Yes. I think we should appreciate all the management there who, of the university also to facilitate this kind of start, especially for the final year students to get this, preparation started for them. And it adds up to the results of the entire university and also helps guide students to get some really good, amazing results in FMD. And the whole university must be proud. And the entire management that takes care of the Orenburg State Medical University must be so proud on your achievement, Dr. Bhuneshwari. And any advice to your juniors? There must be so many juniors. This exam is always psychologically there in the second year, third year, final year. ये हमेशा रहता है साथ में. आपके as a senior, has somebody who has scored such amazing score, your words will be very, very valuable to them.
So मैंने जितने junior से बात किया है, they always say like this exam हो पाएगा क्या? इतना बड़ा exam है. So it's not a बड़ा exam. It is a completely doable exam. 150 questions are your questions, the one which you study and revise. So it's a completely doable exam. I want to first tell them that this is not the mindset with which you even start to prepare for your examination. And the second thing is trust the process and trust the source, sir, because it is really hard to listen to many other people, and it is really easy to get diverted. So I would say that trust whatever you are following, whatever you are studying, trust that and repeat it again, revise it again. That would be helpful. So that's all, sir.
And advise them to study, to attend the classes that happen there. Like sometimes Indian faculties travel to the universities. Do you think they should be attending in their, fourth year, fifth year classes? Does that
So they
help?
must attend, because that is what helps them to like create a base for them. Actually, it's important to build a base and concept so that it is easy for you to study after you come here in 6 months. It is easy for you to revise. So I would strongly suggest them to sit and attend the classes. इतना भी कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी का पढ़ाई होता नहीं है, तो यही करो.
Nice. And really happy, Dr. Bhuneshwari. You have done some amazing work, and this is a success that you have achieved with pure grit and determination for the last 4 5 years. Jo aap, all the struggles that you did when you're studying in second year, third year, quietly in your study rooms, quietly in your library, is something that has brought you to this level. And I think you should remember this process always. This is an achievement that you have got with your hard work, and this is defining. I would say that 240 in your first attempt, and this is amazing results. And huge salute to the entire determination and dedication that Dr. Bhuneshwari had kept down during her second year, third year, and all. I really appreciate and really proud of you, Dr. Bhuneshwari, and wishing you a lot of happiness, lot of success, huge laurels to you, and wish to see you prospering and have a very bright future ahead as a very promising doctor for our country. And great regards to your parents also for the entire support system that they have provided to you, and the kind of doctor they are giving to the country. Okay, best wishes, Dr. Bhuneshwari. You made your parents proud, your teachers proud, entire organization of Arise Medical Academy proud. We are so happy to have you with us. Thank you so much, Bhuneshwari.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all Arise teachers, as well as thank you to Arise team.